Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error code 0x0003 on GeForce Experience. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section and right click on where graphics card driver and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After getting update done, just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to find NVIDIA services. You just need to double click on it one by one. Startup type, set this to automatic and select apply and start the service. Do the same for other NVIDIA services listed over here. After doing it, just to close stuff here and go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open the system configuration. Go to services tab, checkmark hide all Microsoft services. Make sure all NVIDIA services are checked. After that, just select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapters section and right click on where NVIDIA graphics card and select uninstall device. Select attempt to remove the driver for this device, check mark and select uninstall. After the uninstallation done, you just need to close tab here and restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to open the GeForce Experience and go to drivers tab and select check for updates and update the latest driver. After getting update done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.